Hi guys, I recently got a Allure beauty box. That's right, I did it. I got an Allure beauty box. This is my first one, so I do have a little bit of highlight and lip product on and like my base, but pretty much left everything open for the stuff here. We're gonna go through each item I got and we're gonna try out the ones I'm going to keep. And then there's one in here I am gonna do a separate video on, like by itself, because yeah, because I want to. So before I get into actually trying these products, even though I have like a weird partial face of makeup on, I did want to just mention why I picked Allure over all the beauty boxes out there. It is a little more expensive. It's $15 a month. The first month is $10, which is $5 more than like Ipsy or Birchbox. But honestly, the products in this just always look the best to me. It's the most intriguing. They look the most full size. They look like the best brands, and they give you really good shades. They also give you this little book, which I didn't know when I ordered it, that has the price and like why they picked these products. It also gives you a discount for every single product when you order it from their website. And there was a little coupon for $25 off this jewelry brand. I wish I remembered what it was. I'll put it on the screen. And I ordered something as a gift for someone because that was really awesome, and it was like $3 because I used that $25 thing and you didn't have to have a minimum. So I think it's really worth it so far. And even in this box, even though there's a couple things that I'm not going to use, I still think I'm very excited about it. So let's get into the products. The first one is the one I'm not going to try in this video, but it will be in a video soon. It is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. It looks like this. First, I always want to try a mascara that comes with a tube that you can squeeze. I just think that's awesome. It's in a gold package, which I love. I've wanted to try a lot from Wander Beauty. I heard Tati talking about it recently, and I'm like really excited. Mascara is $26 full price, which is more than my comfort zone usually, but they do give you a 20% off thing in here. And the brush is my kind of brush. I'm going to do more talking about this in the video just about this mascara, but I'm very excited. Even though it's not waterproof, I feel like I'm going to like it. So this is one I'm not going to be using just because the colors aren't my thing. This is a ModelCo Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. It's actually really nice. This is cruelty free. This is $15. It's a brown, a light pink, and like a maroon. And it's pretty, like they're all, it's really pretty, but it's just, I don't use this much shimmer. Usually I'm much more like a matte person, but I'm going to put this in a giveaway, I think, or give it away to someone. So I'm not a fan of that just because of the colors, but that's not a big deal. Next is a brush, which I'm also really excited about. It's from Moda Metallics, the Triad eye brush. This would be $4.99 full price, and I love it and hate it. So I love the gold, and I think that's really great. It's really lightweight, and I like how soft the bristles are, but it's like that weird cut, the angle cut. I haven't tried it yet. I did blend it on the back of my hand, but yeah, we'll see. We're gonna use this. Another thing I'm not going to use is the MAMONDE, I'm definitely saying that wrong, Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. It looks like this. It's actually a really decent size if you want to bring it on the go, and it says rose, which immediately I'm allergic to, so I'm not going to be using this because I'm allergic to it. But it's an oil cleansing foam for quick and easy cleansing that gently dissolves makeup with oil and forms a rich lather with water. This full size of this would be $21, so yeah. It's a MAMONDE, same brand, Flower Lab Essence Mask. It's a sheet mask worth $7, and there's a bunch, I guess, that they could have put in there, but I got the one that says Narcissus. I don't know, it says reinvents beauty by cultivating the power and energy derived from flowers. Pretty sure this is a hydrating one. It feels really cold and nice, but I'm not a fan of sheet masks. Just not for me, don't like them. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway as well. Everything else I am very excited about to be using right now. So the first thing that we're going to use is the BROWGAL Tanya Crooks INSTATINT Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. The brush is very, very small. I'm pretty sure this is a full size worth $22, which is really impressive. You guys know I love my boy brow. I love that brush. It's like a short, stubby one. This is like a longer, smaller one, but we're gonna try it. I have nothing in my brows at the moment. This is in the shade brown, which I'm happy with because, you know. It's a very dry formula. Like even boy brow has a bit of like a wetness to it, but you can see the difference already. It's not as filling as I thought. When you can see so many fibers on the little brush, I thought maybe it would be more thick, but it's not. I think it looks okay though. Like, it looks fine. That's actually a little heavy. I don't have mascara on, that might be why, but I mean, it looks okay. It doesn't have that like awful like jelly crunch look either. I don't know that I would buy that full size because it's $22 and I love boy brow, so, but it's nice. I do like it though. I'm not disappointed in the slightest. So there's a section that says you can get one of these 3 makeup items: a lip pencil, a eyeliner, or a liquid lipstick, although don't really feel like this is liquid lipstick. I got the Mally, which I've never tried anything with this brand, I don't think. Mally High Shine Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Light. It's a really, really, really light shade, which isn't normally my thing. Has a smidge of shimmer, like it's not completely cream. It has like a touch of like shine shimmer to it, but very, very subtle. And it has a pretty pretty strong smell. It's like a very candy, like a sour candy, like if you open a bag of sour gummy worms smell. And it doesn't have a doe foot, it has a brush, which is not my favorite, but let's put it on and see what you guys think. It's pretty full color for like this light shade. I gotta be honest, I'm not a fan of the brush. It's just really streaky, and it like really, really exaggerates lines in my lips. I do love the smell though. This sour gummy worm smell is like making me hungry. But let me zoom in on my lips because I don't want you guys to think I'm like making that up. I don't know if you could see that, but it actually feels quite nice. It's like lightweight but moisturizing. I wouldn't call it a liquid lipstick though. Like it definitely feels more like a colorful gloss. It does not feel like a liquid lipstick at all. You can taste the sour gummy worm flavor. I like the shine that it gives, but yeah, I don't like what it makes my lips look like up close and it's gathering like in there. I don't like that at all. I'm just not a huge fan of that. So I'm actually going to take that off and reapply what I had on before because I'm just not liking the way that this is looking on me. And the last product is not in this book. Oh, by the way, that gloss was worth $21, which is a lot, I think. I'm not seeing my last product. I don't know. It's not in this book. I don't know if they just threw it in, but I was excited at it. It's another Mally product. It is the Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra in the shade Burnished Bronze. I would have preferred a matte, but I will take it. I'm so excited about this because I know that Emily Noel talks about this all the time, or she used to. So I'm excited about this. I did put it on the back of my hand and I blended it and it kind of blended into shimmer. But I am going to use this on my eyes right now. It's a full size, I believe, and this is the shade. It's like a shimmery bronze brown, which is actually, I'm impressed. Like I'm surprised they give me like a purple or something. And I'm going to blend it out with the brush. Kind of just blends into nothing. Maybe I have to build it up a little, like in the crease or something. This brush is definitely a little sharp. I don't like the crease, like the sharpness of it. So I'm gonna use my finger and see if that's any better. I feel like my mom would like that. I don't think I'm gonna keep that on. I think it just looks really bad. I mean, it probably has a lot to do with my like low level of skill when it comes to cream shadow. Not what I wanted it to be. I'm very excited about this, so either the video already went up on mascara or it will be up very soon. Before we end this video, which is already very long, let's get into my favorites and my least favorites. So, these two being my favorites, even though I didn't try the mascara yet. The brow gel I actually think looks really nice. I do like it a lot. I'm definitely going to use it up, and it's worth it if you look at the full prices. My two things from Mally. I am excited about the shadow stick, and I will continue to try it out and like maybe use it underneath a shadow look rather than trying to blend it into the crease, and definitely using a different brush. This is not my favorite color. I like the feeling of it, I like the smell of it, but it's not my favorite color and I just think it looks weird on my lips. The brush, as soft as it is, I don't like the angle cut of it like that. I just don't like that. And then the other three products I do think are really nice. They're just not for me. Like I said, like the eyeshadow tree, if they're matte, I love it. I'm allergic to rose, and then I just don't like sheet masks, but I think for most people, this would be a nice box. That's it. Would I recommend the box? Yes, I would. Like I said, I'm not paid to say this. I bought this with my own money, and I'm very excited for our next one. So if you want me to do these every month when I get one, let me know. I will be happy to do that. And stay tuned for the mascara.